Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi RS5 carbon black Sportback. At the time of this recording, the vehicle has done 4,816 miles, and to the rear you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of sophistication to the car's side profile. Standing on an impressive 20-inch alloy wheel with a 5-segment spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, a centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic RS embossed logo, and front centre armrest for extra support and comfort. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. Now if you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving modes such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive, or Comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Below, you have the 3-zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can set their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging point, 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, a hidden compartment to keep those phone wires, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This approved used Audi RS5 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.